Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts. And today I'm at the beautiful Leblanc Spa Resort Cancun, one of my all-time favorites, and we have a treat for you. This is the top category in the resort, the Presidential Suite. There's 5 of them, all located on the top 9th floor right here. 3 of them are just a 1-bedroom variety, and then there's 2 of them that you can actually have a connector like you see behind me, where you can make it a 2-bedroom suite. There are insanely stunning views in front of me, but before we get there, let me show you what this room is all about. As soon as you walk in, on the right here, you have an armoire that's used for storage. On the left, you've got a little bit more storage here as well, and you've got your do not disturb makeup room, so you can utilize that there and communicate with them outside. Now, continuing along, you are going to find your writing desk. So you have a beautiful writing desk here. It's seated so it's angled directly out at the stunning ocean views. So just across from the desk, you're gonna find your mini bar. You've got your Lavazza coffee maker right here. They also provide the pods and will replenish those for you. And one of the unique things about this category is the upgraded spirits. You've got a full bottle of Belvedere, Black Label, Don Julio Reposado, and one of my all-time favorites, and definitely my dad's, Captain Morgan. Now they move those around, but they're always upgraded and premium. You're also gonna have this gift of a bottle of wine you can take with you, or you can drink it while you're on site. Down below, you're gonna find your fridge. It's fully stocked, and then you can have it replenished every single day throughout your stay and customize as you like. Now, just behind this door, you're gonna find a full half bath. You got the toilet around the corner. You've got a large vanity right here. So it's great that you get to double up, but also if you're utilizing this as a space where you have others over, they can use that restroom without being in your personal space. Now, one of the things that I really love about this particular suite is that it very much feels like home, but considerably upgraded and with insane views. You've got a huge, very comfortable sofa right here, nice large chaise lounger. Over to the side, you have another reading chair with a nice ottoman as well. And then to my right, you've got a full dining room table. Just in front of me, you've got your first of the flat panel TVs and a little bit of storage. Now, if you do have friends who are staying here, maybe you're having a conference or a wedding and you want to have people over, this is the perfect place to host. You can order off of that expanded room service menu right there at your dining room table, or you can open up the doors and take advantage of these insane views. Speaking of views, this is absolutely magnificent. There's so many different colors of blue and turquoise out in front of me. When I think of a tropical vacation here in Mexico, these insane views are what I am imagining. Now, out on the balcony itself, you've got a large soaking tub. You're going to have a butler, and there's lots of things that they can assist you with. Now, one of them is drawing a tub here. They have a bath salts amenity list you can choose from. They'll also be happy to set up aromatherapy in the room. You can even order from their artisanal bath soap menu, and they'll carve it right in front of you. Now, as you continue along, you have a table with 4 chairs. This is that perfect spot to once again take advantage of that room service menu 24 hours a day, or maybe just have a cup of coffee, or in the evening, a sundown cocktail. Continuing along, you have a large double day bed right here. This lounger is that perfect spot to sit, cuddle up with your partner, and look out at these amazing views. So now we're headed into the master bedroom. I did want to point out that this door does close, so you have that extra level of privacy, but also that separation in case somebody's taking a nap and you want to hang out in the living room. Now, as you can see, this comes in a large king-size bed. It's a wonderful option because, once again, the amazing views out to the ocean. On the side of the bed, you're going to have a US plug, 2 USB plugs, and full lighting controls right here. You also have an HDMI plug-in that you can utilize to mirror what's on your device with the TV. You've got a nice, comfortable reading chair with ottoman set in the corner, and you're going to find your large flat panel TV, the second one in the room. It also functions as a smart TV, so you can mirror back and forth. You can also access menus and different functions as well. Now, on the side of the bed, I just wanted to point out every little detail is attended to here at Leblanc. You've got your complimentary beach bag. You can take it with you down to the beach and then take it home with you as well. You also have this great memory foam mat on either side of the bed, so when you step in and out, you get that really nice feeling. Now, they just did a massive $30+ million renovation of the entire property. We've got a full resort tour if you want to see every single space on the property. But I just wanted to point out they replaced all of the mattresses, all the linens, the pillows. They upgraded everything, and it's one of the most comfortable night's sleep I've ever had. So as we head into the bathroom, I just wanted to point out that you have a temperature control here. There's a separate one in the living room as well. Now here is your full walk-in closet. You've got a ton of storage in here. You're gonna have your iron and ironing board. You're also gonna have a safe. Underneath here, you've got more drawers. Now your butler can pack and unpack for you if that's something that you would like them to do. You've got your robes and slippers. You also have a steamer right here and then more hanging storage as well. Continuing on in, you've got a separate water closet right here and a large shower. You've got a rainforest shower head up above. You've got your shower wand, and then it's a Swiss style shower where you have the extra jets here as well. You've got your bath sponge and also the Bulgari bath amenities. That's one of the great upgrades that you have here at Leblanc is all of the fantastic Bulgari bath amenities. I really enjoy using them, and they're great quality. Now here you'll find your large double vanity. You've got 2 mirrors, and it's positioned so that from here you can look directly through and get those amazing views once again. You're gonna have storage underneath. You've got your scale, and then once again you've got 2 sinks right here. So now I'm stepping out on the second balcony. You can open these up and get that phenomenal ocean breeze coming through here. You've got 2 very comfortable chairs and a table, another perfect spot for that morning coffee. And one extra thing I wanted to point out is there is separation between this balcony and the other. So if you are having 2 couples here in the 2-bedroom variety, you have your extra level of privacy right here. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any suite at Leblanc, Los Cabos, or Cancun, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Leblanc specialists. We know these spaces inside and out. We absolutely love them ourselves, and we know that we can create the vacation of a lifetime for you and your friends at an incredible value.